Filtration works best for heterogeneous mixtures where we have solid particles suspended in liquids or gases, like separating sand from water, coffee grounds from coffee, or dust from air. In my 15 years of teaching, I've seen students try to filter everything. And I mean everything. But here's the deal, imagine you're trying to catch fish. You can catch a shark with a big net, small fish with a finer net, but you can't catch the salt dissolved in the seawater, it's just too small. That's exactly how filtration works. It's perfect for catching things you can actually see, like chalk powder from water, or things you might not see but are still particles, like bacteria in a water filter. But if someone tells you they can filter sugar dissolved in tea, well, they might need to revisit their chemistry notes. Filter paper acts as a selective barrier with microscopic pores that determine what can pass through. The smaller the pore size, the finer the particles it can trap. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.